If you are looking for the absolute best way to jumpstart your betting journey with one of the most respected names in the gambling world, you have come to the right place. Because today we are breaking down everything you need to know about finding and using UNIBET promo codes for 2026. This year has brought some significant changes to how UNIBET handles their promotions. And if you are still searching through old forums or sketchy websites for a secret string of letters and numbers, you might actually be making things harder than they need to be. The reality of the 2026 betting landscape is that major players like UNIBET have moved toward a more streamlined, user-friendly system, where the most lucrative deals are often baked right into the registration links themselves. This means that the era of manually typing in a code during a frantic sign-up process is largely behind us, but that does not mean the deals have gone away. In fact, they are bigger than ever if you know exactly where to look and how to trigger them correctly. Whether you are a sports betting enthusiast looking for a massive free bet, a casino lover hunting for hundreds of free spins, or a poker player seeking a serious rakeback or deposit match, this script will guide you through the process step by step. We will cover the specific regional offers available right now in May 2026, including the popular Bet 10 Get 30 offer for the United Kingdom, the second chance bets for North American users where available, and the deposit matches that are currently dominating the European and Canadian markets. We will also dive deep into the fine print, because as any seasoned bettor knows, the value of a bonus is not just in the headline number, but in the wagering requirements and the terms that dictate how you can actually withdraw your winnings. We are going to look at the UniBoost system, which provides daily value to existing customers, the Refer a Friend programs that can net you hundreds in extra credits, and the specific payment methods you need to use, and more importantly, the ones you must avoid, to ensure you do not disqualify yourself from a bonus before you even place your first wager. By the time we are finished, you will have a masterclass level understanding of how to navigate the UNIBET Promotions tab like a pro, ensuring that every time you deposit, you are getting the maximum possible value for your money. To kick things off, let us address the elephant in the room regarding promo codes themselves. In 2026, UNIBET has almost entirely transitioned to an opt-in model. This means that when you land on their registration page, you will often see a selection of tiles or a drop-down menu asking you to choose your welcome bonus. This is a brilliant move by the platform because it prevents that gut-wrenching feeling of finishing a registration only to realize you forgot to enter a code in a hidden box. Now, the system simply asks you what you want. Do you want the sports bonus, the casino bonus, or the poker bonus? You select your preference and the system automatically tags your account for that specific promotion. However, there are still third-party exclusive codes out there that can sometimes provide an edge, such as the Sport 30 code, which is frequently cited in the UK market. While UNIBET's official stance is that their standard links provide the best possible deal, using a verified partner link remains the most secure way to ensure the bonus is tracked. For those of you in Great Britain, the flagship offer for May 2026 is the Bet 10 Get 30 in bonuses. To trigger this, you need to be a new customer, 18 or older, and you must opt in during the registration. The beauty of this specific deal is its simplicity. You deposit at least £10, strictly using a debit card or instant bank transfer, as e-wallets like Skrill or Neteller will almost always disqualify you, and then place a £10 bet on any sportsbook market with odds of evens, which is 2.0 or higher. Once that bet is settled, whether it wins or loses, UNIBET credits your account with £30 in free bets. It is a 300% value boost right out of the gate, which is incredibly competitive compared to other major bookmakers this year. Now, if you are more of a casino fan, the 2026 UNIBET Casino promo is a different beast entirely. They are currently pushing a massive offer of up to 200 or even 300 free spins, depending on your specific region. For example, in the UK market, the current standard is a deposit and stake £30 on slots to receive 300 free spins on a popular title like Big Bass Splash. The key word there is stake. Unlike the sports bonus, where you just have to place the bet, the casino bonus often requires you to actually play through your initial deposit on specific games before the spins are released. Once they are, you usually have about 48 hours to use them, and the winnings are often subject to a 10 times wagering requirement. This is actually quite low for the industry. Many competitors in 2026 are still stuck at 35 or 40 times wagering, making UNIBET's casino offers some of the most player-friendly available this year. If you're in Canada or Europe, you might see a more traditional 100% deposit match up to a certain amount, like $50 or €100. These are fantastic for bankroll management, allowing you to double your playing time instantly. Again, the 2026 updates have focused on making these terms clearer, so you can see exactly how much of your wagering requirement remains directly within your account dashboard. For our viewers in North America, the situation is a bit more nuanced. As of early 2026, UNIBET has focused its operations more heavily on the European and UK markets. But in regions where they remain active, the go-to promo is the second chance bet. This is perfect for those who want to take a big swing on a parlay or a long shot underdog. Usually, this offer covers you for up to $500. If your first bet wins, great, you keep the profit and move on. But if it loses, UNIBET refunds your stake in the form of bonus bets. This effectively gives you a do-over, which is a massive safety net for new players. The important thing to remember here is that the refund is typically paid as bonus credit, not cash, so you will need to wager it at least once, what we call a one-times wagering requirement, before you can pull that money out. In 2026, UNIBET has also been very aggressive with their Refer a Friend program. This is often an overlooked way to get promo codes or bonuses. By going into your account menu, you can generate a unique link to send to your friends. If they sign up and meet the wagering criteria, you can earn tiered rewards that increase with every person you bring in. We have seen rewards as high as £70 or $80 for a single referral this year, which is a great way to build a balance without having to make a fresh deposit of your own. Beyond the welcome offers, the real secret to finding UNIBET promo codes and value in 2026 lies in the existing customer promotions. Many people make the mistake of thinking the bonuses stop after the first week, but UNIBET is famous for its UniBoosts. These are not codes you enter, but rather tokens that appear in your bet slip. Every single day, you can get multiple boosts on racing or football, effectively giving you better odds than the rest of the market. There are also weekly bet and get offers, especially around major events like the Champions League, the Premier League, or big horse racing meets like Cheltenham or Royal Ascot. To stay updated, the best strategy is to actually go into your account settings and ensure you have marketing communications turned on. While we all hate spam, UNIBET is actually very good about sending high-value, personalised promo codes via email or SMS that are not available to the general public. These might include no deposit bonuses for the casino or risk-free bet builders for the big game on Sunday. Another pro tip for 2026 is to follow their social media channels and check their promotions tab every Tuesday and Friday, which is when they typically refresh their weekly lineup. One of the most critical parts of using any UNIBET promo code in 2026 is understanding the restrictions. We have seen so many players lose out on bonuses because they didn't read the fine print. First, let's talk about the 2.0 odds requirement. If you place your qualifying bet on a heavy favourite at 1.5 odds, you will not trigger the bonus. You must hit that evens threshold. Secondly, watch the clock. Most UNIBET bonuses in 2026 expire within 7 days of being issued. If you do not use your free bets within a week, they will vanish from your account, and the customer service team is notoriously strict about not reinstating them. Third, be careful with the cash out feature. In almost every case, if you cash out your qualifying bet before the event ends, you forfeit your right to the welcome bonus. You have to let that first bet ride to the finish. Finally, verify your account immediately. With the stricter 2026 regulations, UNIBET will often pause bonus distribution until they have verified your identity and address through their automated system. Taking 5 minutes to upload your ID right after signing up can save you a lot of headaches when you're trying to claim your free bets. In conclusion, finding UNIBET promo codes in 2026 is less about searching for a secret phrase and more about knowing how to navigate the official offers and partner links to maximize your return. The platform has become incredibly efficient at delivering value directly to the player's account through the opt-in system. By focusing on the Bet 10 Get 30 offers in the UK, the deposit matches in Canada and Europe, and the second chance bets in the US, you are setting yourself up for the best possible start. Remember to avoid e-wallets for your first deposit, stick to the minimum odds of 2.0, and keep an eye on those expiration dates. If you follow these steps, you will be well on your way to making the most of what is easily one of the best betting platforms on the planet this year. Stay disciplined, bet responsibly, and use these tools to give yourself the edge you deserve. Whether you are hitting the sportsbook for a weekend of football or spinning the reels in the live casino, the 2026 UNIBET promotions are designed to keep you in the game longer and give you more chances to win. Good luck, and may your bets always find the back of the net.